Good morning, everyone. For the faculty members, as
program that's going to be organized in the next 5 days, youth empowerment and skill. This is what is needed. This is the need of the hour for 2-3 reasons. Number one, Manipur has been in the midst of crisis for a long time. Manipur is a insurgency infested area. Manipur is a place where there are a lot of unrest. There are ethnic unrest, there are civil unrest, there are student unrest, and this has been there for quite some time. And I think this kind of a social problem has really afflicted the people of Manipur. So much so that some negative impact of this unrest, which has been there for a number of decades, must have already been programmed in the DNA of a good number of our young children, young students, and near and dear ones. So when we frame the syllabus of the undergraduate value added program, we had included the art of living, we had included NCC, we had included NSS, and we had included many other things, because this is the need of the hour for the state of Manipur. This is the need of our students in the state of Manipur. I want to thank Dr. Razak Rahman also, because he is a person who has a very, good command over what actually is happening in the state of Manipur. I'm happy to know that he's from Manipur. Earlier, I thought he's working in Bangalore. He is a person who has lived through this crisis in the state of Manipur. He knows the problem of our students. He knows the problem of our youths. He knows the problem of the society in the state of Manipur. And I agree with him when he says that the domain knowledge of your education is also important. But what is more important is the knowledge of the life skill. Because for a long time, before the introduction of the NEP, the education system has given so much of thrust and emphasis on theories. All of us who have been brought up in the world of theories, whether in the social sciences or humanities, all of us in the basic sciences, we thought that our command and our understanding of theories of very well-known theorists and the educational personalities in the scientists, we thought by knowing that, by understanding their theories, we will be able to solve the problem of the society. But we have not been able to solve the problem of the society. Now, the NEP 2020, with this, we have come out of this all sort of stereotypes of your teaching learning in Manipur University. The Art of Living is going to provide this 5 days workshop on youth empowerment and skill, which is very, very crucial, because first of all, we must be able to understand and we must be able to maintain the kind of balance that we should have. We should have a complete command and the balance of our mind, of our psyche, of our body, and our life. You must be able to develop many of the life skills. You must be able to speak properly. You must, develop the skill of communication. Speaking is also a skill. You must be able to develop the skill of writing. You must be able to write clearly. legibly and in such a way that what you will write, you must be able to communicate to your reader. You must be able to have proper social interaction with your friends. If any kind of problem comes, you should maintain the kind of body-mind balance so that that kind of a problem you should be able to understand it, analyze it, and then, respond to the problem coolly in a very calm way, not in a very nervous way. So in order to do that, in the midst of this such a crisis in the state of Manipur, the program that teacher education is organizing is the need of the hour. I must congratulate all the faculties of the Department of Teacher Education for taking up this initiative, and I'm sure that all of you will gain a lot